bahay nating pinaplano.
Yeah, nalungkot-lungkot.
Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung ino. Kaya ngayon ibuhos na ang red wine sa aking lamuna upang malunod na ang puso nahihirapan. Bawat tagay, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang rito ay natuo ang sisir na Pepsi.
Ano ba yung bibili ba rin? At sisir ba?
Ayaw, mas wala ako sa Pepsi.
Sige, sunod ba?
Nauna na ako sa Pepsi.
Nais kong mapagkasama
Uy! Ay, ito ah.
dahil ulit ako. Talo na naman tayo. Kahit
Lalo naman tayo.
kahit tapos kumuha ko ng red wine at ipapakulong sa kaldero't lalanghapin ang usok nito.
May kita buhok niya na.
Lahat ay aking gagawin upang hindi ko na isipin at iisa na si Fidel. Ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lamuna upang malunod na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Kalmala. Patak, nagawat at ugat. Anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Tagay ko, pag-beer na to ang pag-ibig.
Beer naman red wine.
Siyempre beer. Marasa ka si beer.
Magbibalitan niya.
Washing beer. This song is brought to you by Dingdong. Everybody's pulutan.
Wala to. Pag walang pulutan.
May grand peace. Parang ano.
Yan ay Brasang Miguel.
Green peace, parang si Panal. Huwag mo sanang limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho. Mga anak at bahay nating pinaplano. Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko. Aray mo, kaya ngayon ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lamuna. Sa Miguel Beer, baka naman malunod na ang puso ko nahihirapan. Shout out sa 1 million viewers bawat bata. Ano ba talaga mas gusto ko? Shout out mga taga UAE. Ang beer na to, ang beer na to. Shout out sa mga naka 6 digits. Ang beer na to, mga naka-hotel. Pag-ibig mo.
Balik ka na bro, banati.
Ikaw kay malakas ka na.
Ikaw malagat ka na bro, di ka malagat ka na. Banati ba rin, banati na, banati. Ay, ito kanta.
Kanta na lang.
Oh.
Sponsored by JNF Big Daddy Scott Pizza. Andrea Pizza.
Hey,
Para pantay Adi.
Sila ko lang pa.
Well, it's
out to the mountain, fell right through the cracks. And I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down, right down, I'll be giving in my best. Since I was gonna stop it, put divine intervention. Reckoning to get my turn. To win some, learn some better. Is it saying no more? It not big. I'm yours. Let's go. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans, sit down, you're free. And look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. Yo, we just one big family. And it's a God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's sure this is our fate. I'm yours, yeah, do. But you want to do, but you want to come. Let's cruise ever closer, dear. And now whenever you're here, yeah, as we pick up, whoa, I've been spent away too long to get my tongue in the mirror. I'm burning on my back as he tries to hit me wrong. A break without happiness. And so I drew in the face and left. I guess without a saying it's an better reason to read it's other melodies and just but I see songs is what we aim to do. Cause our name is our virtue. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours, yeah. But open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and be free. I look into your heart and you'll find the sky is so please, no, please, no, please, no. There's no need to complicate it. Cause that's time it's show. And this is our fate. I'm yours. Rapom to papa do
That song is brought to you by BioGC. Music.
Ito kasi apa tol. Dito kan nila to baga. Ito na palo ba nila. Pamati nga iba na niya.
Version may ibang version. Nag-explain pa. Hindi na ako pinapa-explain.
Ay ito nga one day lang.
Ayaw, makanta.
Sige, ikaw makanta.
Ikanta pa rin ha. Nubo na ako.
Songs brought to you music.
Di pa rin, manati.
Sometimes I lay I think God I'm weak and I pray the days cause I am in for reason. Sometimes in my tears I cry, but I never let it get me down.
Get me down.
So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it could all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will play. One day, Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's go.
It's not about